Welcome to Smalltalk Daily for Monday, July 19th, 2010. This morning I wanted to take a look at code examples. Now, in the workspace that you get with non-commercial, there are a bunch of code examples there, but what if you want to learn more? What if there are things that are beyond that you want to take a look at? Well, it turns out a bunch of that stuff ships with the product. If you open the Parcel Manager and go here, you won't find anything in the suggested list, but if you go to Directories, down here you'll see something labeled Examples. In here you'll see a bunch of things, like a Adapt 1 example. This will show you how to hook up domain objects to UI objects in Smalltalk, and specifically in VisualWorks. And if you go down, you can see button examples, click widget examples, combo box examples. So there's a whole bunch of things here, dataset examples, database examples. You can load this up and take a look at stuff and see how to work with things. So you can load any of these up. Let's just take one of these simple ones here. Let's take button example. Take a look at that, load. Now let's go to the browser and take a look at what we got. So we'll come down here, we'll scroll down, and you find button example there, and here it is. Over here on the class side, we're going to see the window spec. I can immediately edit this, but I don't have the UI Painter loaded. Let's go ahead and load that automatically. And then it'll bring this up, and I can take a look at the little example by bringing this into the view. And you can see that it's showing you a few widgets inside this, and it'll show you how the button gets hooked up and operates by looking at the code, looking at what's there, and then going over to the instance side, looking at the actions, and looking at the method behind the button. And it's documented here with some code so you can see how things are set up. So all of these things are in the Parcel Manager, and you can load these up and take a look at one by one at various things and just figure out, well, how do I set up a combo box? How do I set up a button? How do I set up the hookup between domain objects and the UI in VisualWorks? It's all there for you. You can take a look at it. So if you're needing to look at specific code instead of just these screencasts, that's where you should go to look. So that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with Smalltalk.